Welcome to my channel Murthy Sahiti EduTech. Previously you learned tenses and today you are going to learn prepositions. It is very important topic in all intermediate for 10th class and other competitive examinations like DSC, TET, like that. So today you are going to learn prepositions. What is meant by a preposition? Preposition. Preposition, that means that which is placed before. That which is placed before is called preposition in a single line. When we come to the definition, a preposition is a word used before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation between that noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence called preposition. In simply we can say it is a relation indicator. It shows relation between nouns and pronouns. For example, let us see the board. I am repeating again. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show the relation between that noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. Preposition means that which is placed before or relation indicator. Here example, the pen is in the box. The preposition here mentioned in. In is preposition. It shows the relation between the pen and the box. And the book is on the table. Here preposition is on. It shows the relation between the book and the table. So it is preposition. Kinds of prepositions. Prepositions can be divided into 4 kinds. First one is simple preposition. Second one, compound preposition. Third one, phrase preposition. And fourth one, participial prepositions. Like that we can divide into 4 kinds. First one is for you, simple prepositions. Simple preposition. What is meant by simple preposition? Prepositions which are used in simple in form is called simple prepositions. They are very simple. For example, at, by, for, from, in, of, on, out, through, till, to, up, with, etc. All these called simple prepositions. Later we learn how do we use these simple prepositions. The second one is compound prepositions. What is meant by compound? Compound means mixture of 2 things. Here compound word means mixture of 2 words. Compound preposition means mixture of 2 prepositions together. So here we can form a preposition by adding a and b to the adjective or adverb or another preposition or a noun. Okay. Here a means on and b means by. For example, about, above, across, along, among, around, before, behind, below, beside, between, inside, outside, within, without. All these called compound prepositions. About, above, across, along, like that. Before. These are the 2 words mingled together. By prefixing a or b, these prepositions are formed. So these are called compound prepositions. Third kind of preposition is phrase prepositions. Fourth kind is participial prepositions. Participial prepositions. Now let us see the word. Phrase prepositions. What is meant by a phrase? A word or a group of words which hasn't full meaning. It has some meaning. Is called phrase. So here is a group of words used with a single force. Used with a single force of preposition is called phrase prepositions. Again I am repeating, group of words used with the force of a single preposition are called phrase prepositions. For example, by means of, it is a word, but it is a group of words, but it has some meaning. Like that, by way of. We have to use with a single force, in front of, in favor of, according to, in spite of, instead of. We have to use with single force. This is called phrase prepositions. And the next one is, fourth kind and the last kind is participial prepositions. Participles, what is meant by a participle? Verb plus ing form is called as a participle. Sometimes it is also called as a gerunds. So participles used absolutely are called participial prepositions. For example, bearing. Bearing means in the sense of expecting or apart from, can be considered as bearing as preposition. So bearing accidents, apart from accidents, the mail will arrive tomorrow. And concerning means about. Here means about. Concerning yesterday's fire, there are many rumors in the bazaar. These two are participial prepositions.